Hi everyone, it's Trinity Reaper, and today I'll be talking about the Chandra X Ray Observatory. And this would be a picture of the Chandra X Ray Observatory, and this is a picture that the Chandra X Ray Observatory took. And on this slide, I'm just going to be telling you what the Chandra X Ray Observatory does. So, this observatory takes X ray images in space for scientists to learn more about space. And on my next slide, I have time and distance. So, this space mission was started in the year of 1999. So, it would actually be the day of July 23rd, 1999, and it was shot out by NASA. And the Chandra X Ray Observatory is still in space. So, it's still in space taking images of the galaxy, sending the images to scientists, and the observatory could be taking images of the Milky Way right this second. You never know. And my observatory doesn't have a certain destination. It goes to many different places. So, my observatory, it wasn't sent out to have a certain destination. It was sent out to observe many of the different parts of the galaxy. So, the people who are controlling the observatory, I'll tell you who they are, is NASA's Marshall Center for the Science Mission of Directorate, NASA Headquarters, Washington, D.C., the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory in Camp Bridge, Mass. Those are all the people who are controlling the observatory. And these are the people who control the observatory's day-to-day flight into different parts of the galaxy. And my next slide would be the Chandra X-ray Observatory's purpose. And a purpose would be it takes high resonated images of high energy regions of the universe. So it takes very deep X-ray images, and they're very clear to NASA and the scientists who are going to learn more about this after the X-ray image is taken. And my second fact would be the data consists of X-ray images. So the data that's taken by the X-ray observatory is the X-ray images, and those X-ray images are sent to scientists to learn more about them. And my next fact would be it helps scientists to better understand the universe. So the data that's collected, it helps the scientists learn more about the galaxy and keep up with all the drama that's happening second by second. And the observatory is so much faster than you would think, so that helps scientists to get information very quickly, much quicker than astronauts could, because this goes very, very fast. And the effect of life on Earth. This is my next slide. So the effect of life on Earth is that scientists on Earth can see what's going on in space. So the pictures that are taken, it helps scientists to learn more about what's happening in the galaxy. So when the picture is taken, it gets sent to scientists, and they get to study those pictures and help us learn more about those photos, because they send them online so we can learn more about them. And my second fact would be it helps scientists understand faraway places in space. So, like when there's exploded stars, astronauts can't get to that. So the Chandra X-ray Observatory really helps out the scientists to be able to see those types of things and study more about them. And I also said that once the picture is taken, scientists can put the pictures on the internet, helping us learn more about them. And my next slide would be additional interesting information. And this, I thought it was very interesting because it looks really pretty too, this picture. And so the Hubble Space Telescope and the Chandra X-ray Observatory took a picture. And so the blue on this picture is the Hubble telescope, and the pink is the Chandra X-ray Observatory. That's what they took the picture of. And so they collided these two color of dark matters, and it made these beautiful types of collided dark matter. And so the next fact I have is that it's the most powerful X-ray telescope. So it's like the most powerful X-ray telescope and best one they've ever made for a while. And so it helps them. It's the best because it has these awesome images, and it really helps them to identify what's going on in space. So my next fact was that the power is 0.5 arc seconds, which I find that very cool because the resolving power is 0.5 arc seconds, so that's very fast. And my last fact would be that it's the most sophisticated X-ray telescope. And I say this because it gives off a lot of detailed information which helps the scientists to learn more about this fact. And so when the pictures are taken, it's so much more it gives you so much more information because it's so detailed. And